Hi everybody, Julie the Wippy Chick here, and I am here with another car chat. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you came. And just to kind of fill you in, I have a job, full-time job. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I love to crochet, and I have a YouTube channel. So lunch break's about the only chance I get to do some videos. So here I am. I'm going to show you some of the things I have been working on. I don't know about you, but I'm really starting to feel the Christmas spirit. It is December 9th. I think it's December 9th. And yeah, I'm starting to get into it. I've got the Christmas music playing at work, and the tree is up, and we're starting to decorate. So getting in the Christmas spirit. So here's something I've made recently. How about this little guy? Isn't he so cute? I love him. So this is a Repeat Crafter Me little snowman ornament. And it's a free pattern, super easy to follow. And if you want, you can go check out my last two live streams where we did Crochet with Me, and this is what we made. Now again, this is not my pattern. This is by Repeat Crafter Me, but it is a free pattern. And as long as I don't claim it as my own pattern, I can share it with you. So check this out. Repeat Crafter Me has amazing, really cute little simple projects that are so much fun to make. So that's number one, and it's going on my Christmas tree. You want to know a secret? I got a little tiny Christmas tree just for me, and I'm putting all crochet stuff on it. So my goal is to make 25 different crochet ornaments and hang them on my little tree before Christmas. When I say different, I don't necessarily mean different patterns, but maybe different colors. For instance, one of the other ones I've made recently is my little snowflake, which I think is super cute. And this is actually not my pattern, not my idea. Maybe I should say that. It's similar to another pattern that I saw, but I kind of made it my own. So I am going to be doing a Crochet with Me next week on Wednesday, and we're going to make these little guys. But I think they're super cute. And when they're all done, I think I might hang them like from my rear view mirror, hang one from that, just because I think they're so cute. I love them. Where can I hang one? I can hang one up. Yeah, so try these. These are really, really cute. So that's another thing I've been working on. Third thing I've been working on is a big project. And yesterday I had to go get some more black yarn because I'm running very low on my black yarn, and this is my big project. Getting all tangled up. This is all I've got left of my black yarn, so I had to get more. But I am making a hooded, ugly Christmas vest. It's not a sweater, it's a vest. But this is what I've got so far. So these are my armholes. This is the front. This is the back, and I've just started on the hood. So loving my ugly Christmas vest. I actually love this pattern, and I think it's actually pretty cute. And I'm going to do another one with prettier colors, but this is Christmas time, so making one for Christmas. So that's project what, number 3 that I'm working on? Number 3. Let's see, the next one. Oh, I just got a notification that I got a comment from Verna. Hey Verna, I just got your notification. Thanks for watching. All right, the last thing I'm working on is a knit project, and I'm actually going to make a couple of these. It's just going to be a very simple knit hat, and I'm going to pop it on. It's not done yet. I'm getting ready to close it off, but I thought I'd show you how that's coming along. I think these are super easy. It's not even really a pattern, it's just kind of something I started making. But yeah, I think these are going to be really, really cute Christmas gifts. Honestly, I was able to whip this off in just a few hours. And like I said, I've just got to do the top. I don't think I'm going to do a pom-pom with these. I think they're just kind of a cute curled brim. And I've really enjoyed making these. I'm using Charisma by Loops and Threads. And there's not a ton left on here, but one skein is definitely enough for one hat. I'm really, really loving this. It's so easy. If you're a beginner knitter, you can do this. You can absolutely do this. It's seriously just the knit stitch. That's it. Working in the round. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, let me know. I know there's a lot of crocheters who are just like so anti-knit. Like, do not talk to me about knitting. But I don't know, for me, I just love the way knit looks, especially in hats. So yeah, let me know if you're interested. We might have to do a little tutorial on that, because super, super easy and really fast, easy Christmas gift. And I would totally wear it, right? Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you is I got some hair ties because I've been making scrunchies. I don't know if I have any with me. Well, I'll have to throw in a picture because I've got a few of them that I've made at home. I'm coming up with different patterns for hair scrunchies. Super easy to make and great for people with long hair or people who love people with long hair and want to make someone else's scrunchie, right? So those are all the things I'm working on. It's a busy time of year, right? Got a lot of stuff going on, but it's good stuff, hopefully. Love these little guys, they're so cute. Okay, everybody, I think that's it. I think it's time for peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter jelly time. And maybe a little bit more work going on my hooded Christmas vest. I'm super excited that we're coming to the end of the year because for the last 2 or 3 months I've been making plans for next year, channel plans, and I can't wait to share them with you. But I don't want to jump into it too quickly. You know, I want to have a little bit of suspense. All right, I think that's it, everybody. I will talk to you really, really soon. If you haven't checked out the website yet, please go check it out. There's everything on it is free, so all my patterns are free, links are free, Pinterest board links, phone wallpapers, lots of fun stuff. So go check out the website, www.wippychick.com, and also come crochet with me on Wednesdays. We're having a lot of fun at the live, and every Wednesday I do 2 giveaways. They're very little giveaways, but they're there, and it's a lot of fun. So join us there. I think that's it. I'm going to let you go. There's a gajillion other things going around in this crazy brain of mine. I think I just got too much going on up there, and I can't get it out fast enough. All right, everybody. I hope you're finding the beauty in today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.